Hi everybody. Let's see how social snakes really are. Now Lily's been down in that hide, which is very unusual for Lily, of course, to be in a hide. Let's open the door for Lily. And let's see what Lily wants to do. And I might ask her. I don't really need to ask Lily, do I? Because snakes don't want to be with us. They want to be left alone. And as you'll see, Lily's staying in a hide. Lily's definitely... Lily, don't you know that you're not No. You're supposed to want to be left alone in your enclosure. What are you doing? What is my girl doing? Hey? What's my girl doing? Are you coming out to say hello? I know I got that dang camera. I know. Do you want to come and say hello, Mum? You going to come and say hello, Mum? Before you go up. She said, I'm going to go up. Rather than say hello to you. Oh no, she might be being unsociable. I very much doubt it, guys. You know, Lily's not going to pass up an opportunity to come on out at all, ever. As I'm bumping the camera all over the place. Hey, I'd like you to say hello to me first before you go up top. That would be really lovely of you for a change, Lil. Hey? No, I'm going to very slowly creep over that way. Oh, you're going to come and say hello? Hey? Are you? You're going to come and say hello to me first? What do you think? What do you think, beautiful girl? Would you like to come and see Mum first? Wanna come and see Mum first? Hey? Yep. Hey? So just coming close enough to say g'day. She doesn't need to climb all over me at all. But, you know, that is about snakes being unsociable little creatures. No, maybe she's not. Maybe she's thinking it's a bit nippy out here today. Why isn't the heater on? The heater isn't on. It was on earlier, but I come home and I was breaking out in a sweat, so I kind of turned it off for a little while. Doesn't mean it'll stay off because the sky's a little bit overcast, but of course I'm still in my singlets because I just run hot all of the time. No, we're not going to investigate down there in the little gaps, are we? Can you come over here? Can you come over to Mum? Do you think you could come over? I know. You can come closer though. You can come closer to Mum and say hello. I'm not dragging her. She's just bringing the rest of herself out. I know. Yep, I get it. I hear you. I know what you're saying. So, I'm sure you'll manage to... No, you won't, will you? You'll need a helping hand. Oh, I shall flip that basket, guys. Sorry, I'm not even on her, but... Yeah. She's going up. And, you know, I don't mind that that's what Lily, again, watch where the camera's pointing. I don't mind at all, guys, that's what Lily wants to do, is actually just come out and head on up to the hangout spot. Lily is a social snake, full stop. Anyway, handling her all of the time is really quite unnecessary to do, because she is already a very social girl in herself. So, you know, when your snake isn't that way, like Tessa, it's very important to do some handling time with them. That doesn't mean that you don't allow them to go off. Oh, Lily, you're kind of here, there and everywhere, and I'm probably in Zoom from when I was watching it earlier. But yeah, when you haven't got an overly social snake, that actually physical touch with them is important. But you know, Lily is beyond that now. That doesn't mean I slack off with her and I never have to handle her at all. I still believe that is important to do with your snake, but it isn't as important with a snake that you do know is extremely social with you and humans, full stop. So this is a very short video of Lily today, just coming on out to do her usual, and I haven't got a pillow there, so she knows she's got the availability to go in and at the back of those enclosures, but I won't be letting her do it, of course. So guys, you take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your snakes and all your animals. Ciao.